Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna tell you what are the makeup products that I love and I don't love. So, unang-una muna tayo with this. This is the trending Get Ready With Me tuloy. Dr. Sensitive na all day na press powder. Look how pretty is it. But there's a problem with it. So, yeah, it comes with a mirror and the pressed powder itself, and it comes with a puff, and of course that's how it looks like. By the way, I got the shade nude, and this retails for almost, I think, around 250, I think so. So let's watch it on my on myself. That's the formula, how it looks like. It looks so creamy, and that's how it looks like on the skin. So syempre, we will blend it with the puff, so you'll know how it looks like. That's how it looks like on my skin. To be honest, this is without and that's with, as you can see. To be honest, when I tried on my face, it was not good at all. Kasi the face powder, the quality is pretty, but I just don't like how it performs, or parang if nilalapat siya sa skin ko. Maybe on other shades I would be great, but this nude one is not good for me because it was so white on my skin that I look like a white lady. It's very true. And if you are asking me if it performs good, it performs good. I was not being oily because of the powder. Hindi ako nag-oil up. But it's just that talaga na sometimes may mga ano ka, parts ng face mo na hindi mo na nalalagyan, or hindi mo napapansin na hindi mo pala nalagyan. That's why makikita talaga, cause here I'm gonna show you how it performs. So ayan, yan yung powder. And as you could see, sobrang white ko dyan. I don't like how white I am in that. As in, and look, see how white is it, and tingnan nyo, grabe ang pagka-white ko. See, kahit i-blend ko pa yan. Wait lang. Guys, na-blend ko na, and look how it looks like on my skin. See, yan yung with, and yan yung without. I mean, this is with, this is without. And look how much, parang nagiging ano na ako, espasol. See? Sobrang grabe na yung pagka-white niya, di ba? And talaga pa naman, if talagang nagmamadali ka and hindi mo nalalagyan yung mga ibang parts ng face mo, mahalata talaga yan. Kasi tignan mo, di ba? Kasi sa sobrang white niya. This performs good, but it's just that, hindi naman ako nag-oil up, but it's just that talaga yung whiteness, hindi ko kinakaya. Next is this. This is the cover of Focallure. This is how it looks like. It comes with a mirror and a puff. Sobrang dumi na kasi nung puff ko, kaya ayokong ipakita. Yan yung cushion nila. This is so good, as in, it was so good. Kasi as in, if you try it on your skin, as in, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is hindi siya nagki-cake for me. Not like other powders, like foundations, nagki-cake sila, kaya I prefer using powders, ganon. Kaya sobrang ganda nito, and sobrang nagagandahan ako kasi sobrang smooth nung finish niya sa face ko, and hindi siya nagki-cake, and okay to, I think hanggang 5 to 7 hours, I think ito yung kaya niya, kaya sobrang ganda nito, and talagang tumatagal siya, lalo na pag nilalagyan mo ng setting spray, or kahit na walang setting spray, tatagal siya, but hindi siya gaanong katagal, unlike if may setting spray. But girl, still, this is so good, as in, ang ganda-ganda nito. Next and last one is this. This is the Dr. Sensitive, the loose powder edition. So ito, mas mauna tong nilabas, kaso lang kasi yung masa, nag-aas sila ng alam mo yon, ng press powder, kasi medyo bulky daw to. So, syempre naglabas sila, kaso lang mas nagustuhan nila to, girl, kesa dun sa press powder. So, So, this is how it looks like. Sobrang dumi na ng puff ko. Cause, girl, mahigit na 1 year ko na itong ginagamit. Kaya, like, nanggigitata na yung puff ko. Ick! See how ick? And I have dots. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya nakalahati. Sobrang tipid nito, girl. Like, isipin mo, bumili talaga ako ng press, but yun is 10 grams. And while this is 25 grams, mas mura pa siya. This was less than 200 pesos, while that one is less than 300 pesos. I don't know the exact price. Basta alam mga 250, ganun. Basta ganun yung price. Nakalimutan ko na. Search nyo na lang. But girl, sobrang ganda nito. As in, sobrang ganda niya kasi, see. Huh? Then, yan. Ganda niya. And ganyan siya. Para siya yung Johnson's. Wala talaga siyang coverage. Kasi, this is it's not that, pwede siyang maging base. Ito is parang pang set lang ng makeup mo. Kasi wala tong coverage. Para siyang Johnson's baby powder. But ito lang talaga is talagang for makeup purposes talaga to, girl. And gusto ko siya kasi wala siyang amoy, wala siyang kaamoy-amoy. Kaya gustong-gusto ko tong powder na to. Unlike dun sa sa Paris one, may pagkaamoy siya. And ito din sobrang ganda din niya kasi 'di ba? Kasi ano tawag dito, mas nakokontrol ko yung whiteness. Unlike dito na nagmukha akong espasol. 'Di ba? So, ayan. If you're asking me which is much better, I prefer this one kasi hindi ako nagmumukhang espasol. Yun talagang isa is talagang face powder yun. Ito, pang set lang talaga tong ng makeup. Kasi sinasabi ko sa inyo, wala tong coverage. Pang set lang talaga to ng makeup. But, if ako, andito lang ako sa bahay and prefer ko, and if you're a girl who prefers pulbo lang and lip tint, okay to sa'yo. But if andito lang kasi ako sa bahay, lip gloss tsaka skincare, tapos ito lang yung ginagamit ko. So, yeah, okay to. But for like events, hindi to okay sa'yo, girl. Kasi, pang set lang talaga to. If gagamitin ko to as base, like foundation, naka. So, that's all, guys. Bye!